this morning, the last thing I thought I'd be thinking about would be you. I opened up the blinds and saw your hair tie on my windowsill. Not gonna lie, haven't talked to you in a while. What if I just hit you up? Would it still feel the same? What if I hit you? Said I was coming to your place, your place. Driving till midnight just to turn around. Wish I knew where I was going now. 'Cause I'm not the same that I used to be. But some things don't change, yeah, some things don't change. Bet you're just as fly as you were that night that we both got high on the bleachers and got kicked out. Our heads as we looked at the stars, nothing can tear us apart. Like nothing can tear us apart. I knew the minute I saw you standing there in line, it had to be fake. So in your phone you didn't notice me till I came and said hi.